Really hope to earn your guys' subscription today while you watch me pull all these great parts off this sled. We've got a beautiful sled here. It is a 2003 Polaris RMK 800, 155 I believe. Haven't measured the track yet. But yeah, this is our donor sled. Unfortunately, it's got a blown motor, and we can take all these parts, put them to good use, take the bottom half of this motor, and build a motor for that sled. So if you're gonna try this at home, there's two things that you're definitely gonna want. One, PB blaster. You spray this on all the nuts before you take them off, and you're gonna have a lot less stuff stripped and a lot less broken stuff. Number two is you wanna get yourself 6-point socket set. You see these? They got 12 points. You want some 6 points. They're gonna grab those nuts better and strip them out. Down below you can find a link for the PB blaster. Down below you can find a link for the 6-point sockets. So the motor we took out of this sled was blown up on one of the cylinders. Now, we can't say 100% for certain, but I can guarantee you one of the causes was that this oil pump was way in dire need of an adjustment. You know, it should be right there. It was right here. This sled was getting no oil at idle, or probably even up through quarter throttle or so. So normally I wouldn't do this, but this whole wiring harnesses, or these connectors I should say, are fried. So we're just gonna go ahead and snip these out. Here we go. This is the fruits of my labor over the last few days, minus the gas tank in the hood, which I couldn't fit in the shot here, but this is what pulling parts will get you. Got a bunch of good stuff. Hit me up if you need anything. This is off a 04 RMK 800.